Hello, my name is India and I am one of the educators at Sunrise Kids. Today I want to briefly go through how I would approach a sensitive conversation with the parents of Mia, a 6-month-old baby in our care. Step 1. I'm gonna ask open and closed questions. The 5 questions, okay? When talking with Mia's caregivers, I would use gender and respectful questions to better understand the situation. This would include how has Mia been at home over the past few days? That is open question that will help understand any recent changes. Second question, has Mia had any accidents or falls recently that we should know about? That is a closed question that will help rule out possible explanations. Third question, have you noticed any bruises or scratches on Mia before bringing her in today? That is a closed question. The fourth question, how has she been sleeping and feeding lately? That is an open question that will help assess well-being. Okay. The fifth question, is anyone new helping to care for Mia at home or visiting regularly? That is an open question that gently explores possible risk factors. Okay. Step 2, explaining observations and next steps. I would then explain kindly and clearly. We've noticed today that Mia has some fresh bruises and scratches on her arms, legs, and torso. As educators, part of our duty is to ensure children are safe and well. Because of these unexplained marks, we are required by law to report these observations through the proper channels to help keep Mia safe. And the third step, sharing local, culturally appropriate resources. Depending on their background and needs, I might suggest local support such as child and family health services in our area that is free for parents, parenting helplines like the Raising Children Network or Parent Line. If the family is Aboriginal or Torres Strait Islander, I could refer to Aboriginal child and family centers for culturally safe support. And step 4, explaining confidentiality limits in parent-friendly language. I would explain, while we respect your family's privacy, we are required to share concerns like this with child protection services. This helps ensure every child stays safe. We only share information with people who need to know and always follow strict confidentiality policies. And step 5, offering support and reassurance. Finally, I would offer support by saying, we understand this may feel confrontational or upsetting, but please know we are here to support your family. You are not alone, and our priority is Mia's safety and well-being. If you need help or want to talk more, I am here to listen. So yeah, in this scenario, I ask the 5 open closed questions, and then I explained my observations and next steps, and then I provided resources, I clarified confidentiality limits, and then I reminded the caregivers they are supported. Thank you for listening.